Hello guys, here is Mr. AB once more again. Today we are going to look at the important facts about number pi. A number pi has its decimal that never ends. It goes on and on and on and on and on. It never ends. 3.14159653 58979, keep on and on and on. It is an irrational number. Any number that we cannot predict the next decimal is called irrational. This is my personal stuff. I said this is a chief, or this is number one irrational number. For calculation's sake, we can say that the number pi acts a fraction of about 22/7. This is not exact, it's about, because we cannot express, but when we are doing calculation and we want to use it, we can take it as about 22/7, and it has a mixed fraction as 3 whole number 1/7, and it's about. It's not exact, as I said, and we can also have it as 3.14. This is when we have two decimal places. In one of my videos, we were able to discover pi. That pi is associated with every circular object, and we said a pi is any circular object, and every circular object have a circumference, they have a diameter, and they have radius. So when we are looking at a circumference of a circular object, we came with 2 pi r, where the r is a radius. And there is a relationship between radius and the diameter. Realize that 2 of radius give us a diameter. So if you have been given a diameter and you decided not to go to radius, you can just say circumference is pi times diameter, pi d, where d is the diameter. Therefore, we can also look at the area of a circle or area of a circular object. We came with pi r squared. And here is whereby you have been given the radius. But we know that 2 radius is equal to diameter. So if I'm looking for my radius, I divide here by 2, I divide here by 2, and then I get this. So when I divide diameter by 2, I get my radius. So if I'm looking for radius square, I will square here, I will square here, and I will square here. And that will give me diameter squared divided by 2 squared is 4. So if I want to replace the radius with the diameter, I'm going to put d squared over 4. So I'm going to put it right here. So if you're calculating area of a circle and you don't want to go back to radius, you can just use pi d squared all over 4 as such. In that video, when we're doing a hands-on discovery, we also talked about the scepter. And a scepter is just a little portion of a circle. So here, this is the scepter. So scepter also has an area. So area of a scepter. So here you're just taking a little portion of a circle, and the circle has 360 as an angle. So if you're looking for the scepter area, it's just going to be the small scepter angle over the total angle, which is 360. Angles, we use a symbol called theta to represent that, and we multiply by the area because we are taking it out of the circle. So it's just pi r squared. Okay, so you see, you don't need to memorize most of the formulas. In case you're looking for the arc length, which is the arc length of a scepter, the arc length of a scepter is just going to be the little picky angle here, which we call it theta, over the 360. And since it's taken out of the circumference, we use here, we multiply it by 2 pi r. So you can deduce all this formula with ends in the area and all that. Okay, please subscribe and see you in the next video.